Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Jason the teacher, and today we're going to talk about some time travel. Time traveling. Okay, how does it work? I mean, there's a lot of questions that come up about time travel and what it's about, and people talking about how to get to one place to another and how long it'll take to get there and all that blah blah blah. But, anyways, I drew myself a graph here. Maybe y'all will understand it. Let's see here. Now, bam. Okay, see, here's the picture. Move this over. Alright. So you got a planet here, you got a planet here. Now, if you're going to go to the speed of light and leave the planet, because you see, you have the Milky Way, spinning around, and then you've got the sun with the planets. I'm making this kind of messy, but anyways, if you were traveling from galaxy to galaxy, time would be a lot more slower. If you were traveling between galaxies, because each galaxy is basically their own clock. So every galaxy has their own time zone, basically, and in some places time goes by faster than others, and it depends on the rotation of the galaxy, how fast the galaxy is rotating. Now, whenever you make coffee in the morning and you take your spoon and you're mixing your cream and sugar with the coffee, and you see the creamer at the top, it kind of looks like a galaxy when it's spinning. Now, if you were the observer observing from outside the galaxy, it would look like the galaxy isn't moving at all. It's perfectly still. There's no activity going on. But the time keeps ticking away for yourself because you're inside the ship, and the ship is moving through space at light speed, so time outside of that isn't really moving. But say you're going from planet to planet within the same galaxy, now you're still running on a clock. You're still ticking on the clock of the galaxy, because you're still inside the galaxy. You're still inside that time zone that it's in. Now, if you're traveling from planet to planet, like I showed you here, now, if you're going the speed of light, then there is no time. And if there's no time, when you're traveling between these two planets, say you're going 1.2 light years away. This is 1.2 light years away. Okay? Now, it doesn't matter how many light years away you are from that planet, because time doesn't actually go on. Time doesn't actually pass whenever you're traveling the speed of light. So, when you move from one planet to the other, it could only take you 5 minutes to get to that planet. We don't really know because we don't have the technology, but it makes sense that it would only make sense that if say you're leaving Earth, you leave Earth, and time on Earth is at 4 o'clock. Time on Earth is at 4 o'clock. and you leave, you eventually leave, and by the time you hit the speed of light, it's probably 4:07. So time stops at 4:07 over there once you're out of the time grid. Now, say the other planet, it's 4:07 where you left your planet, and it's about 5:30 on their planet. It's 5:30 on their planet. From the way you see it, they have frozen at. And then once you fall back into the time warp, see here? See, once you've fallen into the time warp back into that planet, time continues to go on again once you get back into that sphere. But since you're in the same galaxy, time still keeps on ticking because you're running on the time clock of the galaxy, not the stars or the planets. So time frames are it's really confusing how it works, but technically we could leave our planet right now, go to the nearest star system, which is Alpha Centauri. We probably make it there in like 20 minutes, not even that long. It shouldn't take very long at all to get there, because all that space in between, see, you got all this space in between. You got all that space with the time set. Time is what makes distance look like it's so far away. Now, if you were going the speed of light, it would be like you just walked over there. It would be just like as if you were walking distance from the next planet. So that's pretty much what that describes. I don't know if this even made any sense to y'all, but it's for my records anyway, so it doesn't really matter if you understand it or not. If not, just go ahead and send me a message. I can explain it a little better, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, I'm just trying to make some videos to fill up the gaps. I want to go back to making 15-minute videos again. So anyways, it's my video time travel. Namaste and luck catch. Remember now, don't be mean, play nice.